While generating online help in the previous video, you might have noticed the drop-down that displays the various help formats that can be created. In this video, we'll look at generating some of the other important forms of help. This is the promise that all help authoring tools make, that is, one source, several deliverables. First, let us look at CHM help, or HTML help. It is primarily used for Windows applications and MS Office plugins. Programmers know how to link the .chm file to their software so that help may be accessed whenever necessary. HTML help is an executable file that can be used on its own too. To compile .chm help, we need yet another piece of software called Microsoft HTML Help Workshop. This is available for free, and it can be downloaded and installed from the site mentioned in the description below. To install, just click the link that reads HTML Help Workshop Download. From there, you can download and later install the software. The downloaded file is one titled htmlhelp.exe. Once downloaded, simply run it to install it. If you don't install the software, you'll be prompted with a message asking you to install it first before we generate the .chm file. Next, select the skin from the list of skins as we did before. To recap, click on the Skin Selector drop-down and from the list, select a displayed skin, or click the Open Skin folder and from the folder, select a skin you wish to use. Finally, click Publish. The help file is generated and it is also opened for you. The output is a single executable file. Check the output file as we did with the online help. Help in Manual also displays the location where you can find the output file. Next, let's look at generating one of the most important output formats, the .pdf file. This output can also be used to generate the print manual, meaning the PDF file can be provided to a publisher and it will be perfect for manual printing. If you own a printer, you can also print it via the Print Manual option, and this is explained later in this video. First, let's go with the traditional method as we've been doing earlier. Proceed to the publishing window by clicking Publish on the ribbon, and then from the Publish Format drop-down, select Adobe PDF. Under the Print Manual template, notice the template titled Standard Manual.mnl selected by default. You can click this manual and also customize it to suit your needs. This is explained in a subsequent video. For now, click Publish and the PDF file is generated and opened for you. Take a look at the .pdf file. We would like to draw your attention to one main aspect, and that is the links in the table of contents and the index. From the table of contents, click a topic, and you will be directly taken to that topic in the file. Also, notice how the PDF file has included relevant page numbers beside the keywords in the index. Clicking the numbers takes one to that topic in the document the keyword is linked to. Next, let's take a look at how ebooks can be generated. For generating the ebook, follow as we did for the earlier help formats. Select Publish from the ribbon, and from the Publish Format drop-down, select the eBook eWriter option. Click Publish. The ebook is generated, and it can be viewed with the eWriter software. If you do not have this software on your computer, you can download it and install it for free from the link mentioned in the description below. This software is made and provided by EC Software, makers of Help and Manual. The folder where the ebook has been created is also mentioned. You can browse the ebook and check if everything is okay. Finally, let's see how we can print the manual on a printer. As mentioned earlier, the .pdf file is good for printing too. You can provide the PDF file to a professional printer, but if you have a printer connected to your computer, you can print the manual yourself. For this, click the Print Manual button from the ribbon. This opens a page where you can set a printer and also fine-tune a number of settings. The most important choices to make will be selecting a printer that is connected to your computer from the drop-down list here. You can also select the template file, the .mnl file, as we did earlier when we printed the PDF file. Optionally, you can also tweak settings for text links, pages, etc. Finally, to print, ensure that your printer has been switched on and that it is loaded with paper. Now, click the Print button. Generating the other help formats are self-explanatory. Using the procedures that we have explained here, we are sure you'll be able to generate them.